Many have been devastated by the death of Joe Lindner, also known as Joesthetics, and the cause of his death was an aneurysm. And while the use of anabolic steroids has been associated with various adverse health effects, including cardiovascular implications, the direct causation of aneurysms by steroids is not fully understood. However, there are several potential factors that might contribute to an increased risk. Number 1 is blood pressure and lipid profile. Anabolic steroids can affect blood pressure and alter lipid levels, leading to an imbalance in the cardiovascular system. High blood pressure and abnormal lipid profiles are known risk factors for aneurysm formation. Secondly, weakening of the connective tissues. Steroids can interfere with the synthesis and structure of collagen, a critical component of blood vessel walls and other connective tissues. Weakened connective tissue may be more susceptible to aneurysm development. Thirdly is hormonal imbalances. Anabolic steroids can disrupt the body's hormonal imbalance, potentially affecting the integrity of blood vessels. Hormonal changes may contribute to the development of aneurysms, although the exact mechanisms are still being studied. And lastly is pre-existing conditions and genetic factors. It is important to note that some individuals may already have underlying genetic predispositions or pre-existing conditions that increase the risk of developing aneurysms. The use of steroids may exacerbate these existing factors and further elevate the risk. It is also very important to note that steroids can promote fluid retention and sometimes can cause or worsen high blood pressure. Joe also underwent plasmapheresis twice, which he mentioned on the Bradley Martin podcast. Joe decided to undergo this blood cleaning process after receiving back his blood work from the doctor. The late bodybuilder alleged that particles were spotted in his blood. His doctor recommended plasmapheresis as a method to improve his blood work. Plasmapheresis is a blood cleaning method carried out by health professionals. It involves drawing out an individual's blood, cleaning it in a machine before reintroducing it back into the bloodstream. Plasmapheresis reportedly can clean the blood of protein-bound heavy metals such as mercury and vandate. Joe Lindner never specified what the particles were that his medical professionals sought to remove. Joesthetics was vocal about his health battles throughout his career, from his use of steroids to the decision to undergo plasmapheresis. This has mainly led to his social media following to question how the bodybuilder could have passed away so suddenly at a young age. As his girlfriend Nisha confirms, Joe's cause of death is now confirmed as an aneurysm.